Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey Emma, I've been thinking about improving my American English. Got any tips?
Hey Alex. Sure, I got plenty. What's your main goal?
I want to sound more natural when I speak. Sometimes I feel too formal.
I hear ya. One tip is to use contractions more. Like say wanna instead of want to.
Got it. What else?
Watch American TV shows and movies. They're great for picking up slang and natural speech patterns.
Any recommendations?
Friends is a classic. And if you're into something newer, try The Office or Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
Cool, I'll check those out. How about practicing speaking?
Find a language partner or join online conversation groups. It's important to practice regularly.
I'm kinda shy about speaking. Any advice?
Don't worry too much about mistakes. Everyone makes them. The key is to keep talking.
Easier said than done, but I'll try. What about pronunciation?
Listen and mimic. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words and try to copy them.
Should I focus on any specific sounds?
The American R and the TH sounds are tricky. Practicing those can make a big difference.
Good to know. Any apps or tools that can help?
Try using apps like Duolingo or HelloTalk. They're fun and interactive.
I've heard of Duolingo. Haven't tried HelloTalk yet.
Give it a shot. It connects you with native speakers around the world.
Sounds perfect. Thanks for all the tips, Emma.
Anytime, Alex. Hey, wanna hear a joke?
Sure, always up for a laugh.
Why did the scarecrow get promoted?
Dunno, why?
'Cause he was outstanding in his field.
Haha, that's a good one. Thanks for the laugh and the tips.
Glad to help. Let's catch up later and see how your practice is going.
Definitely. See you later.
See ya.
Hey Emma, I've been watching Friends like you suggested. It's really helping.
That's awesome. Have you tried mimicking any of the characters?
Yeah, I've been practicing Joey's "How you doin'?" It's pretty fun.
Haha, that's a classic. Joey's got some great lines. Have you picked up any slang?
A few. Like hang out and cool. They seem pretty common.
Definitely. Another good one is awesome. Americans use it a lot.
Got it. Any other phrases I should know?
What's up is a great way to start a conversation. And no worries is used instead of you're welcome sometimes.
That's helpful. What about idioms? They always confuse me.
Oh, idioms are tricky but fun. Like break the ice means to start a conversation in a social setting.
Right, I've heard that one. Any others?
Piece of cake means something is really easy. And hit the sack means to go to bed.
Those are cool. I'll try to use them more. How can I practice speaking without a partner?
You can try talking to yourself. It sounds silly, but it helps. Or record yourself and listen back.
That's a good idea. I'll start doing that. Any tips for understanding fast speakers?
Read to catch the key words and context. Don't worry about understanding every single word.
Sometimes I get lost when they use a lot of slang or contractions.
Yeah, that's tough. Focus on the main message. And don't be afraid to ask them to slow down or repeat.
I'll remember that. Thanks, Emma. You're really helping me feel more confident.
Glad to hear that, Alex. Keep practicing and you'll get there.
Thanks, Emma. Want to hear a joke?
Sure, go for it.
Why don't skeletons fight each other?
Dunno, why?
They don't have the guts.
Haha, nice one. Keep up the good work, Alex.
Will do. See you later.
See ya.
Hey Emma, I've been practicing and I think my speaking's getting better.
That's great, Alex. Have you noticed any improvements?
Yeah, I feel more comfortable using contractions and slang. And I've been recording myself like you suggested.
Awesome. Listening to yourself helps you catch little mistakes and improve your pronunciation.
Exactly. And I've been trying to use more idioms in my speech too.
Nice. Which ones have you used?
I used piece of cake when talking about an easy task and hit the sack when I was tired.
Perfect. Those are great choices. Have you had a chance to practice with anyone?
Not yet. Still a bit nervous about talking to native speakers.
Don't worry, Alex. Everyone's been a beginner at some point. Just be yourself.